So this morning we are going to explain to you how to plug a microphone into one of our simple analog desks. These are available for hire from Shipleys in Queenstown. You're going to plug a microphone into this socket here. We're going to set our gain control. This allows the amount of signal into this channel. So we will set it around 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock. This section here is our EQ. So this will do the treble. And you'll hear that this has more top end. This is our middle and this is our bass. So if I turn the bass up, and you'll hear that this has more low end. This section here is for connecting an external speaker, which we'll cover in another video. This one here is our effects. Again, we will cover in a separate video. This one here is our pan control. So this way sends it all the way to the left, and this way sends it all the way to the right. This button here is our mute. We turn it off. This here is our fader, and we use this fader to turn our level up and down. And as I turn it down, my voice will get quieter. When I turn it back up, it will get louder. So once you have your faders set to the right position, you control your overall volume with the master fader, which is over here. So this will control the volume as it goes down and then back up of all of the faders on the desk. Also, this desk has options to connect your phone or any Bluetooth enabled device. You can connect via RCA, you can connect via a stereo mini jack, or you can connect via a Bluetooth. You turn the Bluetooth on, you press the pair button until it flashes blue, and then you go to the AR12 within the Bluetooth settings of your device. And once again, we have a fader to control the level.